This is Sarah Junick with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2019 SPE IADC International Drilling Conference in The Hague. Today I'm with Anthony Spindler, the VP of Managed Pressure Drilling with Weatherford. Thanks for being with us today, Anthony.
Thank you, Sarah.
Describe the new automated MPD riser system and how it improves safety and reliability in deep water operations.
The automated MPD riser system is the core of our new intelligent platform for Weatherford. So it's a smaller and lighter riser, easier to handle, ships in one piece. And the most important part is we've integrated all the system and connections in order to make it safer for personnel to be on the rig and lower the time to install it.
What are some of the design features and how do they improve installation times?
One of the most important things of the design feature of this new system is that all the connections, like electrical, hydraulic, mud system, all are connected to a single hub that when connected at one time with a robotic arm. So in less than 20 minutes, which used to take 2 days, the entire system is connected and running and online.
What role do fiber optics play in the performance of the system?
So we've tried to include all the most advanced technologies into the riser to make it ready for the entire next generation of riser systems. So fiber optics are there to increase the bandwidth so all the sensor data can come back and we can add advanced analytics and all the really Industry 4.0 technology for the next generation of riser.
What are your plans for deployment of the MPD riser system?
Right now we're building the first 4 systems. The first 2 of those will finish in Q3 and Q4 this year and deploy in places like the Caspian Sea. We're really giving the operators a capability they haven't had before.
Thanks again, Anthony, for being with us.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
And thank you for watching drillingcontractor.org.